So, what's up guys, and welcome back. So, now that you have maybe started Shopify dropshipping, or you're thinking about starting Shopify dropshipping, and then you go out, you do product research, which I will get into in another video, don't worry. But you go out, you do product research, you find a product, and you're thinking, where should I promote this? You know people are promoting through Facebook ads, you know people are promoting through Instagram, and possibly also all that you can promote through Snapchat, Twitter. I don't really touch those things, but so where should you really promote? Instagram or Facebook? Well, let's talk about it. There are pros and cons with both of them. In my eyes, the ultimate is Facebook ads, without a doubt, because you can pretty much promote anything on Facebook. And once you learn Facebook ads, it's a skill you can use for the rest of your life. Because throughout your life, when you're starting a business, doesn't matter what it is, you can use Facebook ads pretty much to sell anything. Where it's a bit more restricted on Instagram because you can't target it yourself, and you can't really decide exactly what they're going out to. But I got a list right here that kind of shows the pros and the cons of Facebook and Instagram. Now really quick, my advice would be to start on Instagram, kind of like a tester. Now you can make tons of money. People are just using Instagram alone to make thousands of dollars each and every month. The thing about Instagram, that is so great to test. So what I do is that I put products out there, and through Instagram I will find the winning product. So once I find a winning product, I'll find a lot of product that doesn't work, throw them to the side, just keep on going. But once I find a winning product, on Instagram, then I'll put it out on Facebook. Now why, you may ask? The reason why is scaling. Dropshipping is all about scaling, because you can scale to as much as you want because you don't have an inventory. So on Facebook it's where you really can scale. So whenever you find a winning product on Instagram that's selling and you're making money, put it out on Facebook and put it out there and start scaling. You can keep it at Instagram while you're doing it, doesn't matter. So my advice would be definitely in the beginning, because here it is. Okay, so Instagram, it's easier. But once you find your follower, well, at that point you have made your ad just as if you were putting it on Facebook, and you send the ad to the guy, and that's it. You don't have to do more, just wait to see if the product is winning or not. And if it is winning, you're gonna just see the orders coming in. So, number one, it's easier. It's way easier in that regard. It's faster. It's faster in the way that you'll see your results way faster, because the moment he puts it out in the next 24 hours or so, you can see if it's working or not. Where Facebook, you're gonna have to let it be there maybe for 2 to 3 days before you're gonna close it off. And it's just cheap. Like, you can buy shadows for 20 bucks, 30, 40 bucks. You can also buy shadows for, I got one earlier, this was last week, for 600 bucks. But that's big pages. It doesn't even have to be big pages. This actually, I think she had 180,000 followers, but because she was a personal brand, an influencer in that regards, and she had crazy engagement rate. But again, now when you start now, shouldn't spend more. It's gonna be between 20 bucks and 40 bucks. So in that way, it's cheaper. Now Facebook, again, as I mentioned, you can promote everything on Facebook. So that's the great part about Facebook. It's way more specific. You can literally go in and make sure that the ones you are targeting are buyers. Like, they use their credit cards a lot on Facebook. They make a specific income a year per household. They're interested in this, so you can really narrow it down. Like, you can narrow it from 38 million people down to 100,000 people. I would recommend staying between 200 to 250,000 to a million. I like the sweet spot between 250 to 450, 500,000 people. That's just my personal recommendation. You can test more products. So once you start learning to use Facebook ads and you start throwing them out there, on a day, like, you can test 10, 20 products. Personally, you can easily get out, once you've created the ads itself, you can put out 5, 10 products a day, test 5, 10 products a day. Well, you can't do that with Instagram. It takes a lot more back work, DMing the influencers, getting to a deal, and all of that. It's easier to analyze. Facebook is so much easier to analyze because, of course, Instagram and Facebook are working together, so you can see the data on Instagram as well. But because it's not your own page that is promoting it, you can ask for the insights and such. But Facebook, you can really go in details, and you can see exactly what's going on the page, because it's you that's putting out the ad. It's not somebody else. Now, the downsides of Facebook, it is more expensive. It is what it is. I recommend when you're starting on Facebook to have a budget that you can use freely for about $1,000. I would say $1,000, you're good to go, because then, and you do research all the time, you learn by putting ads out. Let's say before you spend $1,000, you will have a winning ad. But if you, of course, work on finding good products. Even though Facebook ads, in the beginning I thought it was so so hard, and I have to make it as complicated as possible. So choose all these interests, like have it such a long list. Don't make it as simple as possible. Like I don't choose more than 3 to 6 interests in total. But again, I'm gonna make a video at some point about Facebook ads. But again, even though you're gonna make it as simple as possible, it is just harder than Instagram. It is with Instagram. You're contacting people, you get a deal, you throw the ad out. You don't have to do anything pretty much, and hopefully you can see the orders come in. So yeah, so now you kind of know the pros and the cons of Instagram and on Facebook. And for the final answer, and to answer your possibly final question, would be that start with Instagram. Because I assume most of you, 80%, 90% of you, don't have the highest income or don't have the highest budget on it. So start with Instagram, like $20, $30, $40. And yes, in the beginning, like I lost my first handful of shoutouts out in the drain. But it's not just wasted money, because no matter what, you will get people on your page. You will get people most likely get in and add into your cart. You will get a couple orders here and there. So right there you got traffic, and that's the long term. So it's not like you spend $40 on an Instagram ad, you make no sales, oh it's just a waste of money. No. First and foremost, you know the product's not winning, you can move on to the next product, and then you're not going to lose more time or money on that product. Second, you get traffic to the page. The ones who get on the page, for some reason they have an interest. If the buyer not, like 90% of buyers don't buy the first time. So you know that these have an interest. So right there you can use what? You know it, remarketing. So, and some people add to your cart, and those people are very interested. And some will get to your emailing list. So right now you got data, and that data you can use for remarketing. You can use them for target that audience. Of course you need a bit more, but hey, you get emails, you get an idea of their interests, and you can retarget those. And once you find a winning product, move straight on to Facebook and start learning to scale it, which I'm going to learn you at some point, but that's where you scale it. And even though at some point you're making money, you're still very good, and you just focus on Facebook, I'll still recommend using Instagram, because there's still a ton of money to be made, and it's still a perfect platform to test your product. Because when you're testing, the idea of testing is you don't want to spend too much time on it, because 80% of the product's not going to work anyway. So when you're testing on Instagram, well, you know like instantly if it's working or not after a day or so. So that is perfect for testing. So yeah guys, I want to stop it here. So the tip of the day is going to be not more like a general tip. It's going to be every single day, even though you know about, when you get to the point where you really know about dropshipping and you know as much as possible, because you can always learn, you can always get better. So every day, just take your time out of the day. Don't need much. Just say, hey, I just want to watch 2, 5, 10 videos on YouTube and learn more. I promise you, there's so many times where I didn't think on, for just like this, for example on Instagram marketing, or for example I thought I knew it all, then I randomly clicked on a video, watched 2 minutes of that, and I learned something brand new that I could implement immediately and make my ads better and save money in the long run. So every day take time out to watch videos, to read blogs, to read articles on Google, anything, just learn more, okay? So that's my tip for today. Guys, thank you so much. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. We are 5 right now, and please like, comment, dislike, no matter what, it's all love from here. Thank you so very much. Down below is my Instagram. I answer on all my DMs. I get a lot, but please DM me. I will follow you back, and thank you very much. Bye.